na pointees or the actual one so corruption.
Yeah.
Until wakasa opesika and mabemu kope ejuma for be. Nemum say uba ben nimu. Now we are so before kweti kwan bi so enyam ho dia. Ene o memra no ni wadi. And so some of these things are there ye so man pani betime gina so na ode o se ayoyo. Se ubedi wona wadi dem won sika de trimodin sem se de wo ka no. But ye hwe o man pani se ode o se ebe yoyo na sem a waka. Ode be yoyo o se be yoyo. Now we can Hill of Confanochi project.
Yeah.
According to the chairman of the Hill of Confanochi project, no, someone Dubuache, or say only 7 out of the 47 members of Parliament of Ashanti region
and are
contribute to the project.
How many do we have?
47.
And then we had only 7.
7. Now even one of them was one funny Dian Tuja. Until the fan say, or you be a donate, but or Mamu
Mumidi
Mutakamu Barak. Adelaide Tim. Or say Che Mensa Bonsu, Matthew Poku Prempe Napo, Francis Asenso Boache, Eugene Boache entry.
Okay.
And the other person now, or no one for the Dian Tujano. These 7 people.
Come the Tujaki we. Because person who says, Nana, you are free year, and I whine.
I don't think so.
The dear the
Oye, the Menash so be Scout because a Mayamoni, the Menasho. And you see, yeah. And who would say it is politics as usual and our more
yeah
politics as usual.
Yenya more politics. Yenya per hospital na mana ya adwuma mo de
politics. Enti me parliament omo and you mo in to select committee no.
Yeah.
Select committee no omunwuma na kwa mo fa so monitoring no e bi ni say.
Right.
Wo mo to nsafre minister in charge, not about parliament.
Yeah.
It's on the floor of parliament, no one be sending some question back whom you know and pertaining to project on Mokan 17.
To be a word,
scanner is saying, and on that, and a mujina so no request it.
Yeah.
Some person will projects for yourself. But don't mean sorry, so who could be fear bra. Only permission. So who drew ho and will be far babbing or the ball quenchia. Or because so nimu nipa bain. Because now fair maybe a okofa enkrata na wabehesa umfoni ni wo asumesi huni we MP for her say we say
yeah.
And the proper thing that they should have done, in fact maybe condemn say wo mkoso wo kwakwa project.
Yeah.
Name the approach.
Yeah.
The approach amana be hey ya man for obi e kabino and more problem ho.
Sure.
Say nenka also mo fakwan papa so.
Yeah.
You call the minister in charge,
seek permission,
and after some be to na no awie no sankomu yi a na fei mo gina mo naso aka say mu hia say mo amokọ na mo de mo ndi ko he de ekoso. Enti 47 MPs here 7 pe ni 7.
Eti mo se mo dwene ya pomuden ho BBC ekoso. And even cry you see you had the capacity to had lobbied. Senka Kufu ado bra wo mu majority MPs mo na mo doso. Mo betumi push ma watumi abeye sa we na maye.
That's right.
But you guys, Brian here complaining me say, di omudi yate. Mene na janto. Obi create me di matem di miti miss miti yeso so yes miti so.
In fact, I was saying a mine no
yeah.
Mine the state should be first.
Yeah.
Say ya kasa ya munsu summa politics no enkata mani kakra. Say ya MPP say ya NDC. Say ya wie Afari hospital and anka wo kwa ya rehwe wo ha ka be wo de. If everything was in place, nurse for ho, doctors were ho, and omo jaya omo ehwe nipa yare a and wo ko ho no mo ka be wo de. And to say ya MPP na wo say ya NDC na wo say ya. I was say ya free and penning for no whoever is in charge.
Yeah.
Say ya free won na ya omo mo chem so. Na omo sorry waka.
Yeah.
But then you say you can now with when you could switch you know you politics oh.
You be free water de cry.
And your politics in here. We are paid to speak. We are paid to talk.
They be having multimedia. We are on the side of the people. Yes. Nipa no afem. Ti nipa no eka. Ase ho no na eka kyerɛw. Tu ya ban na wantia.
Yes.
Wa ujejirije.
That's right. Eti say ye kasa ya mama hwe say bia ye ka for MPP and say NDC. Na mo hwe say ye ka asama ye ka no abawom say hospital ni si ho for a long time. Obia ma nani nko ho. Na uhwe cementa poyando eyi kire na. Since when? Na cement no egu ho.
Yeah.
Since when? Poyando etimi akwa heda.
Yeah.
Anase afei na okọ ho.
Mamene Zuba ending komo sisia emra